Another night in the cabin. What's that? Oh, you want to say hi? Hi. In a video on your own for a second? Yeah. You say hi. Or bye-bye. Thank you. Got some projects you're working on, Winboot? What are you doing back there? Oh. Yeah? What do you have, Agu? What's that? You look pretty busy back there. What's that, Agu? Boot. Those boots. Squeeze through. These boots? Should we go change the boots? Okay, let's change these boots. You come over here. We'll change these boots. Okay.